Hi, first graders. This is Miss Choi. This week in science, we'll be focused on the topics sound and behavior of light. Let's begin with part 2, mission log, sound. Follow along as I read. Think of a big parade or a halftime at a football game. Did you feel the boom of the drums when the band played? Sound comes from the energy of vibrating objects. An object is vibrating when it's moving back and forth quickly. The vibrations move through the air from the drum to your ear. We hear those vibrations as sounds. Sound is made by nature or human-made objects. You can hear animals making sounds, the ocean's waves pounding the shore, and the wind blowing through the trees. Sound is produced by vibrating objects, such as musical instruments, radios, and sirens. Loud sirens, singing birds, high-pitched bells, soft whispers, singing kids, low-pitched tubas. Vibrating objects sometimes make sounds we can hear. Sound vibrations are produced in many ways. Tapping a glass full of liquid makes a low or deep sound. Tapping a glass that is almost empty makes a higher sound. The size of an object also affects the sound. On a xylophone, tapping the bigger pieces of metal makes low sounds. Tapping the smaller pieces of metal makes high sounds. Low to high, low to high. Try now. Look at the musical instruments. Use the words drum, horn, and harp to answer the following questions with a partner. Let's try the first one together. It says, which instrument do we blow into to cause vibrations to make sound? Yes, that's correct. It's a horn. We blow into the horn to cause vibrations that make sound. I'm going to write horn for number 1. Now you can try 2 and 3 on your own. 2. Which instrument do we pound on to cause vibrations that make sound? 3. Which instrument do we pluck to cause vibrations that make sounds? Let's try the next activity found on page 3. Follow along as I read the directions. You use sound every day. Think about 3 objects in your home or school that vibrate to make sounds. Write the name of each object and draw a picture. Let's try the first one together. I'm thinking about an object that makes a really loud sound at my house every morning to wake me up. Can you guess? Yes, it's my alarm clock. So I'm going to write alarm clock under name of object. And remember, boys and girls, it's okay if you don't know how to spell it. Okay, just try your best. Say the word slowly and listen for the sounds. So I wrote alarm clock. And right next to it, I'm going to draw a picture. My alarm clock makes a bell sound every morning. And I have a little button at the top to turn it off. It's also a digital clock, so it only shows numbers. 7 o'clock. Okay, now think of 2 more objects in your home and fill out the chart. Follow along as I read the directions for the graphic organized for good vibrations. It says, draw examples of how sound can make matter vibrate and how vibrating matter can make sound. On this side of the T-chart, you're going to draw pictures that show how sounds make matter vibrate. And on this side, you will show examples of how vibrating matter makes sound.